Hi guys, welcome back to lesson sound number 10, and in this lesson we will be checking the sound, the C, what you call cédille, C with a cédille, you can say that. So how do you really pronounce this? The C, cédille, softens the C sound before the vowels, which are A, or U, changing it to an S sound. So let me project what I'm saying. So the pronunciation, so the cédille soften the C sound before the vowels, which is A or U, changing it to an S sound. So the IPA that you can say is an S. So the cédille sound like an S sound. See some words. You see garçon. See garçon. If you don't put this D beneath the C there, this would be gacco. So those accents are very crucial in French, because this one is changing the sound. Garçon. Garçon, garçon, phonetically it's written like this. Garçon, it's a boy. Ça, 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 ça. We have français, français, français. We have leçon, leçon, leçon. We have maçon, 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 maçon. So garçon, ça, français, leçon, and maçon. So the cédille becomes S, son, ça, c'est, français, son, son. Let's check the sentences to practice that. So we have le garçon. I don't know if it's clear. Le garçon, trying to make it. Garçon, viens ici. Garçon, viens ici. Ça ne me dérange pas. Ça ne me dérange pas. That does not bother me. Ça ne me dérange pas. Je parle français couramment. Je parle français couramment. Français. J'ai une leçon importante aujourd'hui. J'ai une leçon importante aujourd'hui. Le maçon travaille sur la maison. Le maçon travaille sur la maison. Garçon, ça, français, leçon, maçon. So guys, thank you very much. Wait for lesson number 11 coming very soon. Thank you so much and may God bless you. Bye bye.